You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this dish that is traditional, particularly in Cornwall, that is to say in the UK, a British dish, Cornish Pasty. Yes, I know there are videos saying pasty. Pasty is a word meaning like paste, right? Paste, pasty. No, this is different. This is a dish name, the Cornish Pasty. Yes, just a pasty. Cornish Pasty. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.